Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Excel for Android and signing in so your files sync. This gives you autosave and OneDrive access. Once done, grant storage permission. Make sure downloads and local edits persist. Tap the plus icon to create a new workbook or pick a template to save time. You want a sheet ready to accept data, therefore set orientation and number formatting up front. This first step avoids rework later and ensures formulas behave predictably when you import or paste data. Next, populate your sheet carefully. Tap a cell and use the formula bar for functions such as SUM or average. This ensures clarity when editing. Once done entering data, freeze the top row or specific columns so headers stay visible while you scroll. Make use of the fill handle for fast autofill and manage multiple sheets with the bottom tabs to separate inputs versus outputs. If you have a Bluetooth keyboard, you can use control shortcuts. Otherwise, rely on long press gestures for copy, paste, and cell formatting. Finish by reviewing formulas and formatting. Scan totals and use comments to flag uncertain values. Save to OneDrive to retain version history and export as XLSX or PDF when you need to share. Make sure page layout and print preview match expectations. If something breaks, first check cell formats. Numbers stored as text cause calculation errors. Then inspect relative versus absolute references like A1 versus $1. If sync stalls, toggle the app sync or sign out and back in. That usually.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.